The MT program here at RIT, it's a two-semester process, and really its emphasis is on sort of putting together engineers from multiple different disciplines and combining those skills together into one sort of large capstone project. And so in our case, it's a year-long project. There's one semester of basically 100% planning. So it's going over the concepts, meeting with your customer for the project, laying out sort of all the details, and then who is the execution of that, actually completing the plan that you'd set out, and then hopefully delivering a great product to the customer. Been a really big learning experience, and I know I've definitely learned some really valuable skills. Being able to work on a team of people where they have expertise that you don't necessarily have, and then you have expertise that they don't necessarily have, and being able to explain things and work together and split tasks up. A big part of this program is the process. Our team leader is a industrial engineer, and he does a really good job of planning out schedules, when stuff's going to get done, figuring out resources and the rest of it, and being able to take a really big problem and then split it into lots of small parts that individual people can contribute to has definitely been a really great experience.
So this specific team, we're all undergraduate students. We have a team of 3 electrical engineers, 1 mechanical, 2 computer engineers, and then myself, an industrial engineer. The team has worked really well together. We get along nicely. There's not really been any conflict. We have great communication, and I think that's one of the many things that helped this team get to the point that we are today.
So we're actually the third phase of this project. There's a couple projects like ours that they're sort of larger than 1 year's worth of work, and so there are different phases. And the first phase of this project was actually to take a golf cart and make it remote control. And then phase 2 was originally sort of designed to get the basic autonomous stuff functioning, and then our phase was originally planning to sort of make it able to do more cool autonomous things. But how it ended up working, unfortunately, was that phase 1 got it working as a remote control car, but had some difficulties, and then phase 2 was sort of trying to get what phase 1 had gotten working. And so our phase, we kind of took a clean sheet approach to it. Started from sort of ground zero, redesigned all the circuits, all the software, all the everything. We've been kind of building up from there. So it's been really interesting, I guess.
This isn't just like a 1 year or 2 year or 3 year project. This is going to go on for many years to come. I believe we really turned it around and really made the cart what it is today and made it very successful. We've been learning some cutting edge technologies, the LiDAR, and just dealing with all that. I mean, it's been difficult, can't lie, but having the ability to experiment in this field has been truly amazing.
So our final demo is going to be at ImagineRIT this upcoming spring, and it's going to be driving autonomously on a closed course. So we'll have a small course set up basically, and the cart will be able to drive people without any human intervention from point A to point B while avoiding obstacles along the way, whether that be pedestrians or static obstacles like rocks or whatever we kind of throw at it. There's been some talk of what some people want to do with the project kind of after our phase, as far as there've been some ideas for having it ferry visitors to and from the parking lot, giving automated tours of campus, and those types of things. So.
I absolutely think in the near future, everything goes well with this. This is just a prototype, but everything gets ironed out, all the details, and you may see a bunch of RIT autonomous people movers driving around here, and it's amazing. It's amazing to think about.